Hi there everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jamila. Today's video I'm going to show you how I make my peanut stew with spinach. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. I'm going to boil my spinach a little bit here. I'm using like 7 of these. I am putting in this much water in my spinach, and I'm going to boil them. I'm going to boil the spinach like for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. While my spinach is boiling, over here I am steaming some matoke and sweet potatoes. Honestly, the main reason I first boiled the spinach is because one time I made this and I put in the spinach later after I had made my peanut paste, and I didn't like the taste. And then I tried this other way around and I like the taste. I'm going to be using this peanut. It resembles chipoli in Uganda. It's the same one. So I'm not using the local peanut. I'm going to use like 4 spoons of this. And then I'm going to blend this until it makes a paste. One thing when you're making also the peanut is you have to keep stirring them, and you cook them on low heat until the peanut itself brings that oil, which I'll show you later. And if your paste is too thick, just use some hot water to make it a little bit less. So I have some hot water here, a little bit, and then I'm going to just stir my mix, and this can go on for 20 to 15 minutes. You know, like this peanut usually has some salt in, so what I usually do, I add in just a little bit of salt, not a lot, just a little bit. I'm going to add in my onions right now and let the peanut sauce cook until like I see that oil come. When it starts producing its own oil, then it's ready. And if it's still thick, you can add in a little bit of water. So this is the oil I was talking about. If you see it starting, if it starts coming in your peanut, that means your peanut is ready. Like this here. When the peanut starts producing its own oil, then your peanut stew is ready. So after the peanuts bring their own oil, that means they are done, and I'm going to serve my peanut with matoke and potatoes. Here we go. I am serving the peanut sauce with some matoke, some sweet potatoes, and some boiled rice. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.